Hello everyone. Thank you for checking out this video and welcome back to our channel. For our Revit tutorial today, we are going to show how to add these structural columns and structural framings on your model. But before we start our tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. We are currently using Revit 2021 for this tutorial, and we are going to show what are the families included on Revit 2021. So on Architecture tab, when we select the drop-down button of the column, there is two options, which is the Structural column and Architectural. Let's choose Structural. So under the Properties palette, we only have one type of structural column preloaded on Revit 2021. So let's try it and add it into the plan. What we have is a steel I-column. Let's go to the Structure tab and select the beam. On the Properties palette, there is also one type of beam. Let's add it into the plan. Let's go to the 3D view, so you can see it's a steel I-beam. Let's try it out on level 2, and add the beam also. So just to show that the top level of the column can be adjusted from the Properties palette. So we change it to level 2, then we put 0 on the top offset. Okay, we're going to delete that, and we are going to show how to do the concrete column and beams. So since we don't have the concrete column and beam, we are going to show how to add a family. We go to the Insert tab, then click Load Family. So we are going to add the beam first. Then the column. Okay, next thing we are going to do is add a grid line. Under the Architecture tab, on the far right side, on the Datum panel, click the grid icon. Then on our plan view, let's draw the vertical grid line. Now we have our grid line 1. We are going to copy it and identify the dimension. It will automatically To break the sequence, we are going to click the grid bubble, then we type in letter A. Then let's copy again. Let's select all the columns and we are going to copy to grid line D to grid line A. Next, we are going to add a floor. In 3D view, this is how it looks. Then let's just add some walls also along the perimeters. Let's go to level 2, then we add some beams. We are also going to create a new beam size. We do the same, click Edit Type and Duplicate. Then rename and update the dimensions. Then we just add it to our plan view. Just take note that column sizes and beam sizes are to be determined by a structural engineer. Right now, we are just showing some random sizes for demonstration. So we are just going to add it along our grid line.